Hello. In this video we're going to talk about briefing books. Briefing books allow you to turn any page in the application into a slide, create a set of slides, and then give an online presentation. You can then export your entire presentation to PowerPoint. When you want to keep track of performance information in either Scoreboard or QuickScore, you'll bookmark the pages in the application, and then the bookmarks will appear on your home page. This will be the place where you'll review information on a daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly basis. Briefing books are available for everyone in the organisation. It allows them to see information that you consider important, in the style of a presentation. When we look at a briefing book, it consists of slides. Each one of these slides represents a page from somewhere in the application. It's very easy with a briefing book to do an online presentation. You simply click the name of the briefing book, and a full-screen presentation panel appears. It then allows you to go through each one of your slides and give your presentation. You may find that you don't actually use the online presentation facility that often, because a much more powerful facility is the ability to export the entire briefing book to PowerPoint. Simply click Microsoft PowerPoint Entire Book, and a dialog will appear saying that your download is being prepared. You'll need to wait until the download has finished before clicking OK, or the process will be interrupted. So I've now created my PowerPoint presentation, and when I open it up we can see that it looks exactly like the online presentation. It may be necessary in some cases to slightly modify some of your slides, because the aspect ratio between PowerPoint pages and browser pages isn't the same. The nice thing about working with our dashboard WOBs is that each one of your WOBs becomes a PowerPoint presentation object, so they're very easy to edit. So let's look at how we make briefing books. We're in the Briefing Books module, and we start by clicking New Briefing Book here. Let's call this one Tutorial. The first thing we notice is that the briefing book's empty. There's no slides in it yet. You can also see that I currently have 3 briefing books altogether. You can create as many briefing books as you wish, just remember that the briefing book you want must be selected from this menu here. Now let's start putting our briefing book together. As always, we navigate through the application from the upper left-hand corner, so let's navigate to Dashboards. Here I've got defects aggregated to quarterly. I'm going to send that to a briefing book. The briefing book we want is Tutorial, and the slide period is the month that we want the slide to represent. Let's choose April for this example. Now let's take a look at plant defects trend, and say there's a chart here that we want to send to our briefing book as well. And we can continue sending things to our briefing book in this way. Let's go to Sales Rep Monthly Performance and Sales Distribution by Representative. And I'll send that to the briefing book as well. Now in this case, I'm currently in the Sales Rep Monthly Performance Organisation node. No briefing books exist in that organisation node. I'm creating a briefing book in the Franklin Manufacturing Metrics node. So I choose that organisation node, I choose the Tutorial briefing book, choose the slide period again, and send it to the briefing book. I can also send anything else that I might be interested in to a briefing book. Here we've got Sales Rep Monthly Performance, Let's say that I just want to look at the actual values. So I edit the KPI report, and now I can send that to the briefing book too. And done. Now when I get back to briefing books, and I go to Franklin Manufacturing, and I choose the tutorial briefing book, I now have a complete briefing book. And that's really all there is to creating briefing books. If you have any questions, please email us at support@introfocus.co.uk. Thanks very much, and have a great day.